Hey guys, here's a complete analysis of the HUMMERX, the electric SUV that redefines adventure. High voltage sign 1. DNA and philosophy. The HUMMERX isn't just an electric SUV, it's an exploration machine designed to push the boundaries of off-road driving. Its low center of gravity, Multimatic suspension, 35 to 37-inch Goodyear tires, and reinforced underbody protection allow it to tackle terrain where most vehicles stop. White right pointing backhand index. In short, it's the fusion of raw power and technological intelligence. 2. The DIY build spirit. The HUMMERX appeals to a new generation of enthusiasts, those who customize, modify, and share their creations. The advanced design Pasadena team conceived the HummerHub, a suite of connected apps that link the driver to their vehicle before, during, and after every trip. Electric light bulb. The impressive detail, an integrated reconnaissance drone capable of mapping the terrain in real time, then automatically returning to recharge. It's a unique community and technological experience, an SUV that thinks like an explorer. Seedling 3. Sustainability and circular economy. The HUMMEX explores recyclable single materials. Recycled bumpers become seats and dashboard components. Mechanical fasteners replace adhesives to facilitate disassembly and recycling. Parts are designed to be exchanged, shared, and recirculated, creating a circular automotive economy. Even the details are symbolic. The team's motto is printed in Morse code on the ground, and the tire treads form the message. The courage to get lost leads to new discoveries. A poetic nod to the spirit of adventure. Recreational vehicle HUMMERX subspecifications. Wheelbase, 2,945.5 mm, 116 in. Length, 4,782.5 mm, 188.3 in. Height, 1852.6 mm, 72.9 in. Width, 2,032 mm, 80 in. Ground clearance, 334.3 mm, 13.2 in. Off-road angles, approach 44 degrees, departure 46 degrees, breakover 30.9 degrees. Goodyear tires, 315/75 R 18 by 9, 37 inches. Outside diameter. Wheels, 18 inches. Aluminum with decorative inserts. Flex factor, 57%. HUMMERX truck specifications. Wheelbase. The HUMMEX is more than just a concept, it's a vision of the future of electric for X for S. It combines power, durability, and connectivity while celebrating the creativity of enthusiasts. White right pointing backhand index. An SUV designed for those who want to build, explore, and share, a community and eco-revolution by GMC.